Stop wasting thousands of dollars on professional actors or expensive camera gear. In 2026, the game has completely changed. You can now create ultra-realistic talking avatars that look and sound just like real humans. And the best part? It's completely free. Whether you want to start a faceless YouTube channel, create social media ads, or build a digital brand, AI avatars are your secret weapon. In this video, I'm going to reveal the top 3 AI tools that are dominating the industry right now. Let's dive in. Tool 1. HeyGen. The first tool on our list is HeyGen. This is currently the gold standard for AI avatars. Why? Because their lip sync technology is flawless. You can choose from hundreds of diverse avatars or even upload your own photo to animate it. All you have to do is type your script, select a voice that matches your character's personality, and hit generate. The results are so realistic that most people can't even tell it's AI. It's perfect for educational content or business presentations where you need a professional look without the high cost. Tool 2, Leonardo AI and Canva. But what if you want a character that doesn't exist in the real world? That's where Leonardo AI comes in. You can use specific prompts to generate a unique 4K character, maybe a futuristic robot, a medieval warrior, or a modern tech expert. Once you have your image, you can take it into Canva or specialized AI animators to give it life. This method gives you 100% creative control. You aren't just using an avatar, you're building a unique digital identity that no one else has. Tool 3. DID and Creative Reality. Our third tool is DID. This platform is famous for its speed and simplicity. If you have a portrait photo and a voice file, DID can merge them in seconds. It's incredibly useful for quick social media clips or daily updates. In 2026, they have introduced live streaming avatars, which means you can even use these characters for real-time interaction. It's a game changer for creators who want to stay ahead of the curve. The future of content creation is no longer about who has the best camera. It's about who uses AI the smartest. By mastering these 3 tools, you are positioning yourself at the forefront of the digital revolution. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to Smart AI Tools for more deep dives into the world of artificial intelligence. Start creating today, and I'll see you in the next one.